Trini team, and a nice interception with Messi team, and the ball got deflection. Once again, the left full back, it's a deflection from him, and the ball possession with Messi team here, going for the direct free kick.
Finally, they got something towards themselves, isn't it? Revanth Reddy scoring that fourth goal was really good. So yeah, speak of examples that's been said out. There we go. Can the goat join in? He's waiting there in the dugout. He's waiting there to run in. And Messi comes in here to this wonderful RJI Uppal Stadium. It is resonating with Messi, Messi, Messi. Everybody goes out there as he makes his way in. Phenomenal time here at the GOAT Tour 2025, and I'm going to show you all on track with Chundala right here, witnessing history in the making as well. This is such a proud moment for everybody as a fan, as a big supporter of the game. May it be any sport, fitness support, that is so real, that is so nice, as he shakes hands, first of course with Messi All-Stars 11, and then the officials Khalil and the players will all be nice, and there is Revanth Reddy, the man who scored the fourth goal. The signing of the ball happens as Revanth Reddy and Lionel Messi share a nice camaraderie as well as footballers, both of them. That is a phenomenal sight at the RJI grounds in Uppal, Hyderabad, Swarna.
See the happy faces with all the kids, with all the officials, especially Revanth Reddy, and not lesser than the Messi, the legend, the GOAT. The ball with him. See the audience cheering up, Messi, Messi. What a fantastic moment it was.
Oh, right. Now comes the most awaited and the diamond moment here. Yeah, the ball with Messi. Oh, the pass was far enough. The pass was far enough to beat the GOAT right there. The ultimate moment for everybody is right here.
A historic exchange between the Chief Minister and the legend. What a moment it was, Naveen.
And also, more importantly, I'm sure Messi knows that Revanth Reddy has scored a goal against his team, against Messi All-Stars. But yeah, like we all keep reminding ourselves, yes, this is the friendly encounter that's going to happen as Revanth Reddy and everybody going out there and making sure that the fans are thoroughly enjoying this moment. But I'll tell you what, we also need to, highlight the other superstars who have also been joining in with the legend, with GOAT India tour that's happening as well. So thanks to them. But more importantly, the sport is going to grow from here. Everybody will take a lot of inspiration from Leo. Everybody will make sure that they will go out there and try and at least have that physical fitness. Is that the goal? Oh, yes it is! The coach right there wanted to save that one. What's his name? We spoke to him right there.
Mr. Vinod.
Mr. Vinod wanted to stop a goal that was coming in from the GOAT, but the ball won it. The goalpost was beaten. Come on, Mr. Vinod. Can't be stopping the GOAT's goal. Yeah, come on.
They are exchanging the passes. The pace is hitting up the roof of the stadium.
No doubt. The adrenaline rush, the excitement has that up straight shot. Yes, it is. And the left foot comes out. We saw the third goal also from Messi All-Stars, his forward striker coming out with the left foot. And there was that easy left foot goal that we saw.
Yes, we have seen the Inter Miami setting their rhythm. And yes, they are going for a group pick.
Yeah, that's a moment, isn't it? That's a moment, and look at this, as the GOAT, as the legend himself, he's squatting down, he's squatting there, and so is Revanth Reddy. That is sports. It teaches you to be humble, it teaches you to be, inclusive, it teaches you to accommodate everybody alongside with you in your life, and this is exactly why we say, you play a sport in your life, you will achieve a lot of things. Physically, mentally, psychologically, you're going to be fit and fine every single time. Play some sport. Play some sport, I want to say to everybody watching this live and exclusive on DD Sports and Prasar Bharati's all channels.
It's just awesome. No words at all to see this moment. Mr. Revanth Reddy, the humble person, setting an example for all the kids, young talents. This is football. Here we start today. And let's see the journey of football in Hyderabad in future.
I'll tell you what, you're here, right here from Hyderabad. I guess you should probably go out there and tell your chief minister as well. We will want to have a phenomenal football stadium to going out there and if possibly done. I know the land acquisitions, I know all the process that's there behind it. Can't just keep making claims, but he himself as a footballer, I'm sure he can do a lot for football in the future coming days.
See, Naveen, today is a magical day for the person standing behind him, the officials. See, the match commissioner, Mr. J.M. Stalin, he worked a lot behind the referees of the football, all the kids, what is happening here in the street, he is the man behind.
Yeah, totally. So I guess the chief minister has to work alongside with everybody because today here we are having this football match in the RGI stadium, a cricket stadium, but yes, that's been converted into a football goalpost. But we really want to see a small little football stadium also coming out there at the international standards. Like say for example the Kandiva stadium right there in Bengaluru, and more other stadiums. Of course, in Kolkata today we saw the huge love that came into the Vivekananda Stadium as well. So yes, I'm sure, as a footballer himself, there is so much more nice that he can bring along. But having said that, huge, gratitude and applause is going in for everybody. As Suarez kicks it on. Oh, that was almost at the top tier. As Suarez's kick, that was strong enough to go out there and reach the top tier. And all the administrators now, as Leo got the ball, as the third got his ball, where is the left foot coming? The left foot goes almost outside the stadium, I should say, but that's even hit the top roof. Phenomenal. So much power there and so much love that's been shown in. Another kick, he's lining him up this side towards the stands. So yeah, all the administrators, all the stakeholders, everybody, thank you once again on behalf of all the football fans to bring the coach himself into the India Tour 2025.
We can see the fans enjoying the court of football. We can see the shots towards the gallery.
Yeah, the ball was lost. There it falls down. The ball was actually lost on the top of the roof.
The greatest to ever play the game, standing with his brother Sauraj and the Deepal, surrounded by the love of Hyderabad. Tonight, the nursery of Indian football bloomed again. What a marvelous moment it was to all the fans over here in the stadiums. Even us in the commentary box, we are enjoying a lot to see the GOAT, the legend of football, the king of football. It's a fantastic moment to us also.
Totally. Suarez, of course, is his cousin. That's so nice that he accompanies him every time, and he's also got his name etched in most of the national competitions that he's been a part of as Revanth Reddy. And of course, huge support coming in from everybody to go out there and promote the game of football. And his tour doesn't just conclude here. It's just a beginning. He was there in Kolkata in the morning. Now today here he is in Hyderabad. Tomorrow he's going out to Mumbai as well. Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, is going to be there. And after that, of course, will be Delhi, as he'll probably meet the beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji as well. So yeah, it's all there for the plans. Now what we see is the shootout that's happening between Messi All-Stars and RR9. I'm sure RR9 had 4 goals. Revanth Reddy is scoring the 4th goal. But still, the rule says it will be decided via a penalty shootouts. So I think we will stick to the rules. We will not go via the scoreboard. But for me, the red and white is the winner, Swarna. Yeah?
Yes, of course, it's a friendly match. Everyone are focusing now on Messi. Not the goal, not the score.
You've been saying friendly match, no matter what it is, who's playing, who, what to say. It's almost there. So yeah, he's just trying to stop this one. Oh, right, he does stop it. He was almost going towards the right of him, but then a nice dive towards his left. The goalkeeper does well. So yeah, see, that shows how much they are grounded, how much they are very, very attached to their roots, because they know that they have come in. And of course, even Revath Reddy, I mean, I'm sure even he's come in with a lot of hardships in his life, right? His parents' support and everything, that also matters a lot. We spoke of code as well, but then Revath Reddy also comes in with that hardships in life.
We can see a girl shooting there. Given the opportunity, women also can do.
Obviously, no doubt, Swarna. Let me, this is national television right here, DD Sports. I have been a big supporter of this. Without women, we men cannot even do anything in our lives. Happy, this is what it is. Women are the directors of life. They are the creators of life. I mean, that's a nice goal towards the left post. Forget getting an opportunity, I'll tell you what. Opportunity is always there. I guess today in day and age of time, it is all changed. It is no difference between man or women today. Both are almost on the same lines today. Both can achieve. And having said that, see the achievements of the Women World Cup winners. See the achievement of the Blind Cricket World Cup winners. Whatever has happened.
Revath Reddy on the frame now. He's so happy to take that penalty shootout. Jersey number 9, the Chief Minister of Telangana State, Mr. Revath Reddy. All his hard work, all the days he had practiced. Yes! It's a goal! Finally, he's successful there.
Totally. And no goalkeeper could have stopped it. Now, because it was so cornerish of the goal, it was tough for the goalkeeper as well. Fabulous work. But yeah, having said that, cricket, of course, like we know, everybody knows that it breathes in our hearts. Yeah, that is so important. More important where Messi comes out here as Messi coming out here in the GOAT Tour 2025 to support the nice cause of promoting football in our country. That's so much needed now as he waves to this crazy crowd. Look at this. This is magnanimous. It is the RGI International Stadium right here in Uppal, Hyderabad. That's packed as Leo kind of takes a lot of shots. But yeah, we were mentioning about women achieving so much. Yes, the ICC Women's World Cup winners, the champions out there, and of course, don't forget, it's always, as the women blind World Cup winners are also been there as a small kid going out there and enjoying his time alongside with Messi wearing number 10 on the back as well. So yeah, first ever T20 World Cup victory by the blind women's team. Also, they went out there and met Rahul Gandhi, Narendra Modi ji, everybody. And of course, they also did go out there and meet Power Star Pawan Kalyan himself yesterday. So yeah, women actually lead. Swarna, there's no doubt about that.
Thank you for supporting, and especially coming back to the football. We have seen lots of development in the women football in India, and especially the girls coming from Northeast. And even in all the states, we have seen a lot of development, giving a lot of encouragement to the women footballers. Nowadays, AFF had taken broad steps to encourage for all the privileged kids to take up football and learn and come to play domestic matches, giving a lot of opportunities in different platforms. And we are now watching a junior, jersey number 10, junior, little Messi there, exchanging the passes with the legends.
See, that is where I was trying to say. He's here to promote the next generation of the game, right? That's exactly what he's doing. That's symbolically what he's shown. That it's going to be the next future of football as Revath Reddy. He is more than today a chief minister. He's like a fan there running with Lionel Messi. That's so nice. That is so nice to see. Like a fan, he goes out there, shares the ground with him, and look at this gratitude, look at this gesture from Revath Reddy as well. He's not turning the lifeline. అంటే మేము తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే మీ సీఎం గారు మరి ఇక్కడ వచ్చి వాళ్ళు he's not greeting the crowd అన్నమాట కదా. He's asking Leo to go forward. That's so nice from Revanth Reddy, the CM himself.
That is what he's so humble. Hyderabad, take a bow. You have hosted royalty tonight. Lionel Messi has conquered the Deccan. Wow. Once again.
Yeah, and look at the gratitude being exchanged by Messi. He says, Revanth Reddy ji, you go kick and give it to the crowd. So that is what sport brings to us. See, Revanth Reddy threw the ball to Leo. He said, you kick to the crowd. But then Leo said, no, it's okay, it's all fine. We're all friends here. As he gave the ball back to the CM and he kicked it. So that is where sport unites everybody. That's why we always say, play some kind of sports. It teaches you a lot in life. It teaches you to be humble. It teaches you to be connected to people. It teaches you to be more warm, welcoming. It teaches you to stay grounded. And